Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual person, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Story, line, and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Jimin: Yang, what happened? Why did you call me here in such a hurry? I left Cookie alone. Yuki isn't at home too, and if Dad saw him here, then he will create big issue of it. Hobie threw the photographs on his face. Just look at this, said while grinding his teeth. Jimin picked the photos from the floor. Yoongi. Hobie: Yes, Min Yoongi, your so-called husband, for whom you left us and kicked your luxurious life. See what your so-called husband is doing. Jimin saw photographs with trembled hands. In those photos, Yoongi was with a girl. She was sitting on his lap and caressing Yoongi's chest. Another pic, she was making him drink from the glass, and Yoongi was looking at her. In other pic, she was Yoongi. There was so many pics like this. Jimin became furious to see them. Anger was clearly visible from his face. He made a fist. Hobie saw his anger. Jimin looked at Hobie. What's this, Yang? Hobie sat on the chair. Your cheater and characterless husband. Just see how shamelessly he is enjoying with other girls even after having a child. Jimin: This can't be possible. Yoongi isn't like this. He is very loyal towards me. He can't even think about anyone. He loves me a lot. Hobie clapped. Great. I saw his love towards you. Is this loyalty? I didn't know making other girl sit on his lap is called love. Jimin: These are edited pics. Anyone can make pics like this. You can't call my husband characterless on these pics. Hobie: Minnie, it's good to have trust on your partner, but not blindly. I knew it. You won't believe on me. That's why I already made these pics checked by the experts. Jimin: My trust on Yoongi doesn't need any proof. Maybe you made these pics purposely. Hobie: Why would I do this? What benefit I have in this? Jimin: You don't like Yoongi. You were against of our love since the starting. You can do anything just to satisfy your ego. Hobie: Yes, I was against on this relationship because I don't have trust on Yoongi. I never want a person like him for my younger brother, whom I love a lot. I just don't want you to ruin your and my nephew's life for him. He isn't good for you. Jimin: Whatever. I don't care about your opinion. You never try to understand Yoongi. You only judge him by his status. For you, money is happiness, but not for me. Yoongi gave me everything. Hobie: Minnie, you are again repeating the same mistake which you did 5 years ago. Neither you listened to us at that time nor you are listening now. Jimin: 5 years ago I supported the truth, and today also I will support the truth. Hobie: I am well aware of your stubbornness. I knew that you won't believe on me this early. I never wanted to show you this, but you left me with no other way. Turned his laptop towards Jimin and played the video. Now look at this. In this video, Yoongi was at someone's home and the same girl was Yoongi, but Yoongi wasn't stopping her. He was enjoying her touch while drinking. Jimin became more furious. He threw the laptop on the floor and punched on the glass top which was on the table. Glass broke and blood started flowing from his hand. He was shaking due to anger. Hobby, you broke the laptop without watching it fully. At least watch the full. By looking at him, no one can see he can with this. You missed the best part when he was carrying the girl by his one hand and by other hand he removed her. Jimin angrily pinned him near the wall. Hang! Mind your tongue. You are talking about my husband. I can't listen a single word against my husband. He is my pride. I am warning you. I will forget that you are my young. Hobby, you already forget that I'm your young by your anger. Truth won't change. He is a cheater. He has extramarital affair. Here you are ready to throw your hand on me. There your cheated husband is giving your rights to someone else. Give him a pen drive. In this all the proofs. Ask to your cheater husband, Minnie, you are my brother. I agree, I wasn't happy with your marriage, but I never wanted to break your marriage. I always want your happiness. Now you aren't alone. Cookies. With you, just think about him. I will be more happy if you prove me wrong, but if I am right, then what will you do with your husband? Will you forgive him? Do you want to give Cookie this kind of data? Jimin left Hopi. Even if God himself tell me that Yoongi is a cheater, then also I won't believe him. This much love and understanding are between us, but I can't ignore your allegation. You have made very serious allegations against my husband. I have to clear this allegation and prove him innocent. I know there isn't a more like truth, but if it's the truth, then I will leave Yoongi with Cookie for forever and never see his face no matter what happened. But it doesn't mean I will come back to you. I won't come back to you. I will be gone from everyone's life. You know me very well, Hyang. I am man of my words. Tomorrow morning you will get all the proofs. Angrily left. Hobi held his heels. Minnie, I won't let you go anywhere. Why would you and Cookie suffer because of that cheater? Min Yoongi, if anything happened to my brother, then I won't leave you. Remember this. Arthur's point of view. 5 years ago, Yunmin met at their university. Jimin belongs from millionaire family and Yoongi was middle class family whose dreams were limited. His calm and intelligent personality attracts Jimin towards him. Jimin was very famous because of his beautiful face and almost whole university was crazy behind him except Yoongi. Yoongi was focused on his studies. Jimin approached him and soon they fell in love. Yoongi never hid anything from him. Jimin's family didn't accept their relationship because Yoongi wasn't their status, but Jimin was madly in love. He was very stubborn. He never listened to anyone except his heart. He went against everyone and married to Yoongi. Hobi never liked Yoongi. He thought him because of him, Jimin went against his family, but it's not the truth. Yoongi denied to marry without their parents, but in front of Jimin's madness, he couldn't stay still and married. Hobi saw Yoongi with other girls so many times and assumed him as a cheater. He tried to tell Jimin about this, but Jimin never believed. After 2 years of marriage, they were blessed with a boy, Cookie, who was the mixture of their personality. They were happily living their life, but today Bobby called him to his office. He was well aware of Jimin's possessiveness. Jimin can't share anything which is his. Time skipped at night. It was late night. Jimin made Cookie sleep in his room and waiting for Yoongi in the living room. Yoongi was coming late from past few weeks. Jimin slept by then, but today he was waiting for Yoongi because he has so many questions to ask. Soon Yoongi entered inside the house. He already has a spare key. He was looking very tired. He became shocked to see Jimin in living room. Yoongi, Jimin, what are you doing here? Jimin looked at him. I think it's my house too. Yoongi, no, I doesn't mean that. Sorry. I mean, what are you doing here at this time? You should have slept by now. Jimin, I was waiting for my husband. Can't I wait? Do you have any problem? Yoongi, no, I don't have any problem, but I have the huge problem if you sacrifice your sleep because of me. Jimin pulled his hand and made him sit beside himself. I wasn't sleepy. Sat on his lap and made him drink water. What happened? You are looking so tired. Yoongi, today was so much work. Jimin, my husband is so hardworking. Yoongi can't hard to see Jimin's changed behavior. Oh, what happened? Is anything happened today? Are you mad on me? Jimin wiped sweat beads from Yoongi's forehead. No, nothing has happened. Why are you sweating this much? Are you alright? Removed his tie and opened his shirt's top two buttons. Yoongi, if my husband is this much hot, then how can I stay normal? Jimin gently massaged Yoongi's neck. Well, that's truth. By the way, I want something, but you are looking so tired, so leave it. Yoongi held his hand. Yes, I'm tired, but not this much to not fulfill your wish. Where is Cookie sleeping? Jimin, in his room. But why did you ask? Yoongi, if he is sleeping in our room, then we will go to guest room. If he is sleeping in his room, then we will go to our room. Jimin traced his finger on his forehead. Can you carry me? You are already tired now. Yoongi stood up while carrying him in his arms. I'm not this much tired to not carry your feather-like weight. Started walking towards their room. Yoongi made him sit on the bed. Just wait here for few minutes. I will be back after taking quick bath. Left and came back soon. Jimin looked at him. Only in rope? You knew it now. Outside snow is falling. Yoongi hovered over him. When I have this much husband, then why would I care about snowfall? Leaned towards his lips. Jimin snuggled on his neck. Lavender. Yoongi, you liked it now? Leaned towards him. Jimin cupped his face. What's the hurry? I have something for you. Yoongi sat on the bed and pulled him on his lap. I already have you. I don't need anything. Kissed on his back of the palm. Jimin, while grazing his chest, I have some questions. Will you answer? Yoongi, ask, said while his thighs. Jimin, do I still look attractive to you like I look in my university days even after having BP? Yoongi, no. Jimin stopped and looked into his eyes. So, I'm not attractive now. Yoongi, no, you took me wrong. First, let me complete my words. You aren't looking me that much attractive like you were in our university days. You are looking much more beautiful and attractive. You will look more attractive when we will celebrate our 100th wedding anniversary and we will cut the cake by our wrinkles hand. Jimin smiled. Do you have anyone whom you love more than me? Yoongi, Arson, Cookie. Jimin, do you still love me? Yoongi, your question is wrong. I love you, and I will forever love you, even after why. Jimin, am I enough for you? Yoongi, you are more than enough for me. Jimin, am I lacking in anywhere? Yoongi, no, you are just perfect. Jimin, are you happy with me? Yoongi, you are. You and Cookie are my happiness. Jimin, are you feeling bored from me after Cookie's birth? Yoongi, no, in fact, after Cookie's birth, we came more closer to each other. Jimin, will you give my right to anyone? Yoongi, what happened to you? Why are you asking such weird questions? Jimin, just answer me. Yoongi, of course not. You aren't anything whom I can replace by substitute. You are my life. How can I replace my life? There isn't any substitute of you. Now, I'm sure definitely something happened. Tell me what happened. Why do you think like this? Is anything bothering you? Jimin, is there anything which I should know but you didn't tell me? Yoongi, no, there is nothing like this. You know everything about me. I never hide anything from you. Jimin, think again, Yoongi. Yoongi, I don't need to think again. Jimin, turned on the TV. Then what's this? Yoongi looked at TV and saw himself with a girl. She was him, and instead of stopping her, he was enjoying and giving her full attention. He turned off the TV and looked at Jimin, who was looking at him without any emotion. Yoongi, look, I can explain. Jimin, why did you off the TV? Video hasn't ended. Yoongi, I don't need to see this. Listen to me. I can really explain you. Jimin, I don't need any explanation. Just tell me, is this you or not? Yoongi, there is nothing like you. Jimin, is this video, is this man who was enjoying and inviting that girl my husband or not? Yoongi slowly looked at his head. Yes, but Jimin stood up. That's enough for me. Yoongi, at least give me a chance to say something. Jimin, chance? You want chance, right? Come with me. I will give you proper chance. Held his hand and dragged him towards the balcony. Yoongi, why did you bring me here? We can talk inside too. Here, heavy snow is falling. Jimin showed him his ring. Do you know what's this? Yoongi, our wedding ring. Jimin, do you know how much important is it for me? Yoongi, we both never removed it since we wore. Look, I still wore it. Showed him his ring. Jimin, correct. Removed his ring. Yoongi, Jimin, why did you remove it? Let me give me a chance to explain. Jimin, I'm giving you a chance. Throw the ring in the garden. Now we will talk when I will again wear my wedding ring. If till the morning you don't get back my ring, then be ready to lose me and Cookie for forever. I will go from your life with Cookie in the morning. You have the time till the morning. Yoongi, if I have to prove my loyalty by this, then it's alright. I'm ready to give any test to show my love towards you. You and Cookie are my life. I can't take the risk to lose both of you. Walked inside. Jimin, wear warm clothes first. You can't stand in this much heavy snowfall. Yoongi, now it's come on my love and loyalty. I will do everything to pass this test. Left. With that, Yoongi came to the garden and started searching the ring. He was only in silk robe and boxers. He can't tolerate little bit cold weather, but here he was searching the wedding ring like this. Madness, foolishness. No, it's called dedication and love towards Jimin. His love was questioned today, and he doesn't have any option. He has to prove his love. For that, he was ready to do anything. Because of heavy snowfall, ring is stuck under the snow. Yoongi was. kneeling down and searching the ring by moving his hands on the snow. His body turned red and thumb numb due to snowfall. Snow were in the hair and covered his body. His lips were trembled. His hands were very red and started turning blue. But he wasn't caring about this. Soon Cookie ran to him and hugged him tightly. Cook, da 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 da. Yunki, Cookie, what are you doing here? Go inside. It's heavy snowfall. You will catch cold. Cook, nothing happened to Cookie. See, Cookie is wearing all the warm clothes. Cookie will also help Dada. Yunki, but in which thing Cookie will help Dada? Cookie saw from Cookie's room's window that Dada is searching something. So Cookie came here to help Dada. Now tell Cookie what is Dada searching? Yungi, your Appa's wedding ring. It fell here. Cook, but how did the ring fell? Appa never removed it. Tell Cookie honestly. Ring fell or Appa threw it? Yungi told him about Jimin's condition. So now Dada has to prove how much Dada loves your Appa. Cook, Cookie will also help Dada. Cookie is on Dada's side. Dada loves Appa a lot. With that, they both started searching the ring. Jimin was still standing in the balcony and looking at Jungkook. He video called Jung hoping OTP. Jimin, Hyang, Kobe, Minnie, you called me at this time. Are you alright? Did Dad cheated do anything to you? Jimin, Hyang, I want to show you something. Switch the camera. Kobe, Cookie, what is it doing outside in this much heavy snowfall? Jimin, Hyang, you only noticed Cookie. You didn't notice Yoongi who was in silk robe. Hobie, I swear, but what are they doing there? Jimin, I told you na that I will give you the proof of my husband's innocence. I threw my wedding ring in the garden and now my husband and my son are searching it. Hobie, Minnie, are you insane? How can you do this? Stop them right now. Jimin, sorry Hang, you questioned about our love. Now my love will give you the proof. Let's meet in the morning. Call ended. Jungkook were continuously finding their ring without taking any break. Soon it going to sunrise. Yoongi's condition was getting worse. His finger, the skin started tearing up, but he was only focusing on the ring. Jimin ran to doorsteps after seeing Yoongi's condition. Cookie saw something shiny. He called Yoongi and Yoongi checked. It was the ring. Jimin quickly ran to him and Yoongi made him wear his wedding ring again. Yoongi, now you can't leave me. Passed out. Jimin took him inside with the help of Cookie. In the morning, doctor checked him and gave some medicine to Jimin. Yoongi had high fever. After some time, he regained his consciousness and found Jikook beside him. He took Jimin to an unknown place. Yoongi was directing and Jimin was driving. Cookie was at home. Jimin messaged the address to Hobie and he also reached there. Jimin, Yoongi, whose house is this? Why is here everything black? Yoongi, wait a minute. Hyang, shout. Jin Hyang, June, T. Hearing his voice, everyone came out along with that girl. Jimin looked at the girl. She is the same girl who was with you on video. Yoongi, June, look what happened because of you. My marriage was almost break. Now don't you dare to ask a help from me. Hobie, help? Which help? I don't understand anything. Can anyone tell me what's happening here? Jin, I will tell you. So we are mafias. She is a secret messenger. She is going in other mafias group to give us information. Yoongi was only helping us to train her. Actually, she needs someone whom she can and get the information as it's the secret mission, so we can't trust on anyone. She tries on tea, but this tea is so useless. He started laughing. Tea. What was my fault, Hyang? If she seems funny to me and her touch was tickling me, you should brought strawberries. Jin, shut up. Which mafia can buy strawberries? Tea, me. I will become very dangerous mafia king. June, forget about it. Tea. Anyone can trap you by strawberries. Jimin, I'm really sorry for the misunderstanding. Jungi Han was only helping me to train her. He doesn't have any relationship with her. Jimin looked at Hobi. Han, see, I told you now, my husband isn't a cheater. Hobi, Jungi, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Jungi, it's alright. You were only concerned about your brother. If I was at your place, then I would do the same. Finally, all the misunderstandings clear. Jungi proved his loyalty. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, but it shouldn't be blind. Blindly trust makes your partner careless towards you. It's important to prove your loyalty time to time by providing love, care, trust, and support towards your partner. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, but it shouldn't be blind. Blindly trust can hollow your relationship. You have to earn trust and prove loyalty. Your actions and behavior are enough to show how much you love the person and what that person matter for you. Jimin had full trust on Yoongi, but he has to prove Hopi that he didn't do any mistake to marry Yoongi. For the first time in the history, Cookie was in Yoongi's side. Isn't it miracle? I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.